Good morning, Cardinals, or good afternoon, depending on when you're watching this screencastify. Today, we're going to look at the physical features of the Earth, specifically landforms. And tomorrow, you are going to look at waterways or the bodies of water of the Earth. So, for today, August 24th, which is my birthday, don't forget to wish me a happy birthday, guys. You are going to complete the module. We will start with the bell work as usual. 2 questions, which are different today than they have been in the past. So make sure you check that out. And then as you read through the instructions today, over the next 2 days, so today and tomorrow, you're going to learn about landforms and waterways. And those are dated right there for when to do each one. You're going to do a Google Slides vocabulary activity to practice using the words in a definition, a sentence, and lastly, finding the correct image for that landform or vocabulary word. Our standard is different. It's 735. So major physical characteristics of regions like basins, deserts, mountains, rivers, and how they started. Okay, so today we're going to talk about the vocab a little bit, and later we'll talk about their formation and really their significance. So you're going to watch the screencastify just to see exactly what we're doing today, making sure there's no questions as you work your way through. Then you're going to complete that Google Slide activity and take the quiz. So let's jump right into it here. So again, instructions here, kind of giving you a little bit more information of what are landforms. They're naturally occurring features of the Earth's surface, mountains, valleys, and islands, and things like that. So the Quizlet link is right here. So we want to click that Q Quizlet, and it pulls open. If you've never used Quizlet before, you have flashcards. So what you'll do is you can cycle through the vocab words, and all you do is click on it, and it'll pull it up. Picture and definition included. You can learn them. Where you go through it, it'll quiz you. A large body of salt water, the 5 major bodies of water of Earth. Well, we know that that is an ocean, right? And then you'll work your way all the way through. You can spell them. You can do the test for them. You can do matching, gravity. All these are cool ways for you to practice using those vocabulary terms. This is something I want you to do on your own. This is an assignment for you to do these things. But if you want to learn these words, you will complete the flashcards, the learn, the write, the spell, the match, the gravity, and the test. But for today's activity, I just want you to scroll down, and here we can see oceans, mountains, valleys, river deltas, plain, tributary, plateau, bay, strait, island, river, sea, gulf, and desert. Now, for vocabulary terms over the next 2 days, these are all of them. Today's specific vocabulary terms are plateau, mountain, desert, plain, valley, island, and lastly, the images at the back. So how is this assignment going to work today? Using Quizlet, okay, so using your Quizlet, learning the different vocabulary terms, okay, you're going to go through. You are going to pull out the definition. For example, plateau is already here. A large area of flat land elevated high above sea level. That's worth 1 point today. Then you're going to use it in a sentence, right? I made up a sentence. If you think back to the Lion King, I looked out from the top of the plateau at the Pride Lands and imagined roaming them with my father once again, said Simba. If you've never seen the Lion King, such a great movie. Take some time and watch it. And so if you think about that movie, they're sitting out and they're looking over all their land. The plateau is really high. Think of it like a flat mountain for the most part. And then lastly, you're going to go to our image bank, which is our very last slide here. And you're going to copy, right? Control C, or click here and go to copy. And then you're going to come to the little image box next to the word, right? And you're going to paste it in. Okay, you're going to paste it in. Now, I've included the names of that physical feature at the bottom, like the Sahara Desert, the Himalaya mountain range, the North China Plain, the Bhutan Valley in South Asia, and Sri Lanka, which is an island in South Asia, right? And so you'll find the correct sentence after you wrote it in a sentence. You'll find the picture. Now, where do you find these definitions? Right here, right? So if we click through and find plateau, boom, there it is. Right, click on it, right? It's the same definition, right? So how do you copy and paste it? You come right down here, you find plateau, Control C, or you click copy, right? You come here, you paste it in. Right now, I would say do Control Shift V, and then it pastes it in the format you already have. But either way is fine. After you've completed that entire assignment and those vocabulary terms, you'll hit next here, and you'll take the quiz to end today's lesson. So, one question, using the image below, click on the picture that shows a mountain. Is this a mountain? Is this a mountain? Or is this a mountain? You should have figured that out by now. That's your performance quiz. All right. Well, have a fantastic day. If you need any help with this assignment, please reference back to the Screencastify. And I look forward to seeing you all today.